want to start making money on social media, getting brand deals, or getting free products like your favorite influencer, you don't want to miss this. In this video, I'm going to break down how exactly I built a full-time income as a content creator, left my job as a doctor, all while traveling full-time. And if you're new to my channel, hi, I'm Dia. I used to think you needed millions of followers and a fancy gear to make content creation a full-time career. But my experience have proved that it was all wrong. I have been traveling full-time and making it work across different countries and continents. And I'm here to show you how you can do the same, even if you're just starting out. Without further ado, let's get started. Let's clear up a common myth. You don't have to appeal to everyone to grow. You just need to connect deeply with the right people. And this is why niching down is very important. Most of the successful creators that I know, they don't just post content about everything. They focus on the niche and show up consistently for their community. So whether it's a luxury travel, skincare for acne-prone skin, or productivity tips for people who work 9 to 5, having a niche gives you a direction and make your content more clear. It also helps people to understand quickly what your content is about and why they should stick around. If you think about it, the same concept goes for freelancers. People hire specialists. So it's better to be that go-to person for that one thing. Whether it's UGC creator for wellness brand, short-form videos for travel company, or you like to create aesthetic reels with a storytelling behind it. Most of the time, you follow them for something. Whether it's a travel inspiration, fitness inspiration, or probably for some fashion inspo. Once you have built a strong personal brand within a niche, it will get easier to branch out. This happens because people are already invested in you. So whether you share a new interest, launch a new product, or pivot your content, most likely people will follow you. This is what I apply to my personal brand, where I'm sharing about my travel journey and how I make money while traveling full-time. So people most likely follow me from one of my travel videos or when they're looking for some ideas to start making money online. Next one is to start with what you have and start right now. One of the biggest blocks that stop people from getting started because most people think you need a fancy gear to start creating content. But seriously, all you need is your phone and a small attachable microphone that you can get pretty affordable from an online store. The reason why I say microphone is really important is because people are more likely to watch your content when it has a good audio quality. So for example, like while I'm recording this video, I have my microphone over here, but if I don't have a microphone, it will sound a little bit like this. So you can see the difference with the microphone and without the microphone. And most phones nowadays have a good camera quality. So you can even create content with storytelling or even a cinematic shot, especially if you want to start with a short form content like Instagram Reels or TikTok. To be honest, I started this YouTube channel with my iPhone 6 and I just promised myself that if I can make videos consistently for a year, then I'll reward myself with a camera. And I know making content can feel cringy at first, but every awkward videos gets you closer to the version of yourself that knows what they're doing. So look at your favorite creators. You can compare their older videos to their current videos, and I bet most of the time you will notice significant quality increases on their content over the years. And I know there's a lot of successful creators out there, and don't use this as a discouragement or think that this market is oversaturated, because you can also look at it in another way. With all of these amazing creators posting their content online, you can actually learn from their account about what works and what doesn't work. So you can pay attention to their intros, how they edit the video, how they deliver the message, borrow the structure, but make it your own. This is one thing that I don't think a lot of people talk about. But let's be real, creating content takes time. Even creating like a 1-minute reels on Instagram, it will probably take you a couple hours, from brainstorming the ideas, scripting, filming, editing, coming up with the caption, and also uploading. And when you just started, most likely you won't get paid. That's where remote works or freelance gig comes in. I'm a huge fan of remote work because it gives you a lot of flexibility. So for example, you know how to edit, write, take photos, or manage social medias. You already have a skill that people are going to pay for. So you can work as a social media manager, a marketing specialist, a video editor for a brand or a company, and this doesn't have to be your forever job, but it can help you buy time while you grow your own account. When I left medicine, I wanted to learn a high income skills that will give me a flexibility to travel full time. So I took an online digital marketing course and learned about it. So far, it's one of the best investment that I've ever done. And if you're interested and want to learn about digital marketing, I will leave the link for the course that I recommend. When you click the link below, you'll get access to the free masterclass. So after a year of doing that and traveling full time, it actually gave me the confidence to do content creation full time. Plus, content creation and digital marketing goes hand in hand. Don't just rely in one income stream. The reality is platform change, algorithm change, brand budget shifts, and trends move pretty fast. So if you want to make content creation your full-time job, you have to learn about how to diversify your income. So I'm going to share what my income streams currently look like. First is brand partnership. This comes from sponsored content across Instagram, YouTube, and these are usually collaboration with brands that I genuinely love. Next one is affiliate marketing. So I earn a small percentage of commissions by recommending tools, platforms, or products that I already use and love. I always disclose this and I only promote things that I believed in. Next is UGC or user generated content. So this is where I create videos for brands to use for their own ads or their own social media account. This content don't go on my own platforms and it's great because it's scalable and it allows you to work with a lot of different businesses. Next one is licensing footage. So some of my aesthetic bureau or travel content get licensed to use in ads or social media campaign. This doesn't happen regularly. I only do this when there is a company or a brand that reach out and they want to buy a small portion of my videos. Even though this is not a regular income, but it can add as a passive income because you don't have to do additional work to get paid. Last but not least is digital products. So I have ebooks that help aspiring digital nomad and content creators to get started with their journey. This has gave me a lot of fulfillment because I can help people who wanted to get started but don't know how, and you just have to create the digital product once and you can sell it repeatedly. So over time, it also add up as a passive income. And soon I'm launching my very first online course where I'll walk you through step by step how to start making money through content creation. This goes from finding your niche to pitching to brand, pricing your work, and scaling your income. I also created this course to be actionable and beginner friendly, so it is packed with value. And every time you finish a module, there are actionable steps that you have to accomplish, so this will get you closer to your goals. You'll also get access to a private Facebook community where I'll share some collaboration opportunities, so you can also start landing those brand deals. Since you're watching on YouTube, you'll be the first one to know when it drops. And you'll get an exclusive $100 off for discount just by being a part of this community. To get early access and that discount, join the waiting list by signing up via the link in the description box below. I'll send you an email the moment enrollment opens. Now this is where you want to start taking action. You want to build a portfolio to showcase your work. This is a crucial step that a lot of creators skip, and it makes a huge difference. You don't need a massive following to start working with brands, you need proof. A portfolio can be as simple as a one-pager or a Notion site with examples of your previous work. So this can be UGC videos or content that you've made for your own platforms or any mock-ups if you're just starting out. Show brands what you can do, how you tell a story, and how you understand their products. I landed some of my first paid brand deals by pitching with a small but clear portfolio. This will build trust between you and the brand, and it will show that you take your work seriously. Last but not least, you want to track what's working and produce more that type of content. One of the best things that you can do for your growth is actually track what's working. So take a look at your analytics, not just views, but save, shares, click through, and comment. What video brought in affiliate income, what kind of content keep your audience watching, and also what type of content you enjoy creating the most. When you know what's resonating, you can do more of that. You can produce more content with better quality, sharper storytelling, or more frequently. So you want to post, learn, and level up. If content creation is something that you've been thinking about, take this as a sign. You just have to start small and be consistent. Don't worry about being perfect, just start. If this video helped or inspired you, make sure you click the like button and subscribe to this channel. And let me know in the comment section down below what have been holding you from creating that content. And if you want to join the waitlist for my course, get that discount code. The link is in the description down below. And that's it for this video. I hope you enjoy it, and I'll see you on my next one. Bye!